Start off by unzipping the bag and removing the frame. Place the frame on the ground with the counter side on top. Now, grab the counter and twist the frame clockwise to open. When the legs are fully extended, there are small black pieces that you need to press down into each leg joint. These will lock the legs into place and keep it from collapsing back down. The twisting counters come with clear or custom printed panels. Make sure to check any clear panels for plastic film and remove them. Our white panels do not include this film. Now, attach the panels by aligning the notches with the support pieces on the frame as shown. To avoid fingerprints on these panels, we recommend wearing gloves. With the tower option, you will receive 2 twisting counters with hook and loop adhesive. These allow you to place one counter on top of the other, creating the tower. Place your objects inside the tower and attach your panels in the same fashion with the counter. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe for more trade show content.